Now I am going to show how to install Brave browser in Ubuntu using terminal. So at first we have to click Ctrl Alt T, then we will get the terminal, then I will copy this code. I will add this whole code in the comment box or in the description. So let me add this code, then I have to enter the password. Okay, so it's installing. Just wait. Installation complete. Then I will copy this code, then paste. Okay, it's also complete. Then I will copy this code, then paste. Y, yes, then enter. So it will take 2 minutes. So installation complete. Now I am going to see it's installed. Okay, the browser completely installed. Yo, set browser. Next, finish. Wow, done, it's complete.